Hi parents, I just wanted to touch base with you. I know some of us are having a little bit of a tricky time accessing Raz Kids, and that was partially our fault because we sent the wrong link at first. So I figured I'd show you the best way to log on. If you have a tablet or a phone, your best bet is going to be to just download the app, which is going to be, I believe, Raz Kids. It could be Kids A to Z. I would check both of them. If you are using a desktop or a laptop or a Chromebook, the best way to get there, I just Google searched Kids A to Z, and it is the first link. So you're going to click that. Then you have to put in your teacher's username. Mine is saved here because I've gone on it before, but those of you who have not, the username is eGraper. And then once you click go, then you will see all of the student names here, and whichever one you click on, I think Mrs. Graper's is on here, maybe not, but whichever, oh yeah, right here, whichever one you click on for all of them, the password is just fish. So you're going to click the fish and then click go. Once you are in, we're going to do reading for now. I don't think that you have access to HeadSprout yet. If you do, let's just stick to reading for now. And then you always want to click on the little space station on the ground, the level up. And that'll take you or your child to access of all the books on their level. In order to get to the next level, they have to listen to the story, read the story on their own, and answer the questions. They've all done this before, so they should be fine with that. They should not have any problems with it. But please reach out if you do have any questions. Hopefully this will clear up some of the issues you're having. Hope you're all doing well. Talk to you soon.